Good afternoon, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 164. We are on our way to Beverly Hills to fix an iPhone 7 Plus matte black screen that was cracked last night at an event or something. So we should get there in 15 minutes in 3 miles. It's only 3 miles away. It's not far because it's local. It's Beverly, West Hollywood actually, not Beverly Hills, but it's my old previous customer, Sandoval from Vanderbelt Pump, and we're going to do it at his house. That's where it's dropping, so show how it goes. Let's begin. Okay, Scott. Hey guys, just got here at Tom Sandoval's house. I cannot tell you the address, but here's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. The brown one right there. Pretty dope. And we're gonna get this thing done, and so we can go out of the country or state. I'm not sure which one. I'm sure it's the country because otherwise you're gonna put it somewhere else. But so yeah, we're doing that now, and just come with and see how it goes. Peace out. Ooh, fancy. Oh, but this brand is the best brand in the market as far as things go. They're the most famous ones. Hey guys, you just saw that iPhone 7 Plus matte black. We changed the screen. It took a little while because the proximity sensor wasn't working properly, so we had to replace it, and then we had to kind of modify it to work, and then we installed that beautiful red matte finish front face. It's a screen protector plus a stylish red color bezel, which made the phone absolutely beautiful, and I would encourage you guys to buy one. It's from the brand ZAGG. It's only $50 and it's totally worth it. It makes the phone look like the red edition, but even better because it's like two-tone black and red. Definitely, I'm gonna get one as soon as I get the matte black 7, because I most likely will not get the 10 because I don't like the bullshit price and the small storage. So anyways, but yeah, that was an amazing looking phone after the job was done. I was actually impressed, and I haven't put on my Instagram. So that's about it, guys. That will conclude vlog 164, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the vlog 165. Meantime, thank you for watching this 40 Gold, and we are out. That's the cut.